All right, now everyone's favorite assignment, vocabulary. Woohoo! Now, I'm being a little sarcastic because I know some of you don't like this one as much, but it's important because we want to learn new words so we can understand more books, so that we can speak with more just interest almost, because the more words we use, the better we can get across our point, the more interesting we sound, and the more books we can understand as well. So, same drill, everybody. You're writing the definition or looking up the definition or figuring it out from the story. Here's the link if you need it. It's from the 2 stories in the text that we read this week. And then you write your sentence. Now, what do you need in your sentence? Look in bold. Make sure to capitalize the first letter and include punctuation. Okay, also you need to capitalize the I. We don't put little i's if I'm talking about myself. I did this. I'm going to the store. Anything like that. The I needs to be capital because you are in 5th grade now. All right. Notice that all of them are in red. Okay, they're a little bit easier than last unit. Last unit we had a lot of hard social studies words. These ones are not as tricky. So that is why they are all required. Also, notice this is a phrase, not just a single word, cooped up. Some of you might have felt cooped up in your houses these past 10 months with COVID, if that gives you a clue at all. So, look in the text, look up the words on Google, totally fine. Just make sure you are writing your own original sentence. You can use the one they give you for sort of inspiration to help you see, okay, exactly how would I use this? Or use the one in the story for that as well, because sometimes it's a little tricky to know how to actually use the word even once we know what it means. All right? As always, who's available to help? Me! Okay, so try your best. Make sure to capitalize. Again, you are in 5th grade. That is part of writing good sentences. The word for today is the. All right, is again the. I know it's boring, but we can't have interesting. A sentence is going to have some boring words in there. So the today, and then the last one will be in the next video. All right. Good luck.